Hi, Vintage Stereo Buff here. Today I'm going to do a dyno test of my Phoenix Gold XS2300 power amp. I'm not sure when it was made. I think it was like a mid-90s or so. It's rated at 75 watts into 4 ohms, 2 channels. Or 2 channels times 150 watts into 2 ohms, or 300 watts bridged into 4 ohms. I'm testing it with my Rockford Fosgate P2D2 sub in a 2.1 cubic foot cabinet. I'm using a 4-inch by 10.5 inch port to achieve about 8 ohms impedance under full power from the amp. I'm doing this because I can't get my impedance down to 4 ohms, which is where most amps are rated for their power. And if I use the 8 ohm impedance, then I can easily calculate the 4 ohm load by dividing it. Since it's double the impedance, it will be half the power of what it would be at 4 ohms. So now I got my SMD AMM1 power meter here. Let me set it here a little better where it'll sit so you can see the screen. I'll set this meter over here. I'm gonna plug in my charger, I think, to get the voltage up a little higher. And we'll get this on the right mode. Okay, now we're on dyno power. Turn the amp on. The power's up. Okay, now we'll do the test. $154 watts into 7.9 ohms. Be about 308 into 4 ohms on a continuous load. That's pretty good power. Okay, now we'll switch it off and do a dynamic test. I'll switch my disc back to disc 1, track 1. Okay, now I got my disc ready. Okay, here we go. Well, it said 177 watts at 4 ohms, or $177 at 7.6 ohms. So that would be around 350 some watts into 4 ohms dynamic power. That's pretty good. Okay, dynamic power. Yeah, 170 into 8 ohms. That's around 340 watts dynamic power into 4 ohms. pretty good power for an old amp. Vintage stereo buff out.